Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI video generator platform, which is HEYGEN and InVideo. So let's dive into it. HEYGEN and InVideo are both strong AI-powered video creation tools, but they shine in different areas. HEYGEN is best for creating lifelike AI avatars and voiceover, making it perfect for explainer videos, tutorial, and presentation where a virtual presenter had a professional touch. It's simple to use and ideal for personal brand or businesses wanting a realistic AI generated spoken peoples. InVideo, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for quick marketing and social media videos. It offers thousands of template AI assistant scripts to video creation and easy editing tools for short form and professional content. So if you need a realistic AI presenter, HEYGEN wins in that aspect. But if your focus is highly volume content creation for ads and social media, InVideo is the best choice for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.